place that here. I have my homemade marshmallow. I'm gonna pipe that into our mini muffin pan. I've just put a little bit of nonstick spray on here. Now with our cookie dough, I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna start placing them one by one into our marshmallow. I'm gonna come back and cover them with marshmallow. We're going to cover them with some cornstarch. And don't worry, this cornstarch is just going to come right off. It's just going to help them to not stick. And we'll put a little cornstarch here on our baking tray. Time to unmold our marshmallows. I'm going to take my cookie dough here. We're just going to press it into our chocolate chips. I'm going to get it nice and coated all around. I'm gonna come over here to my pan. I'm just gonna shred that chocolate chip cookie dough, press it into our pan. I'm just gonna spread it out to the sides. There we go. I'm gonna take my Oreos and we're just gonna slide those into our pan. Nice. And my brownie batter right on top. Look at that. So good. We're just going to spread that out a little bit. We're going to take it to the oven. I'm going to place this into the oven, but don't leave just yet. We've got a great surprise coming. Our brownie is hot out of the oven, and I'm going to take my spatula and we're just going to slice into it. We're going to finish this. I'm going to take my marshmallows. I'm going to start placing them all over my brownie. I'll add a few more of these big ones. Take a handful of the mini marshmallows, sprinkle those all around, and our Reese's peanut butter cups. These are so delicious. A couple more of those, my favorite. And now off to the oven. We're gonna place our brownie back into the oven, always at 350 degrees, and we're gonna toast those marshmallows up. Our brownie is back from the oven and it smells incredible. Now it's time to put this all together. We're just gonna cut a piece right in there. It's extra gooey. I'm gonna scoop that out. Got myself a little corner piece. It's the best. We're just gonna try this out. Brownie batter, so delicious. And my ice cream. I'm gonna get a big scoop here. All right, let's dig in. I'm just gonna get a little scoop here. You can find all the details of this recipe on chefclub.tv.